Hello everyone, my name is Mackenzie and I work here at MCR Medical. Today I'm going to be unboxing one of our most popular CPR training kits, the PRESTAN TAKE2 kit with MCR Medical Accessories. So, what's in the box? The PRESTAN TAKE2 CPR Manikin and AED kit provides all of the essentials to begin a CPR training career in one affordable collection and includes 2 adult PRESTAN Professional Series Manikins with feedback and 20 adult lung bags, 2 infant PRESTAN CPR Manikins with feedback and 20 infant lung bags, 2 PRESTAN AED Ultra Trainer AED training devices, a specially designed carry case with foam inserts and repacking instructions, 2 MCR Medical Mani vests, 2 MCR Medical Mani bibs, and last but not least, 2 MCR CPR Kneeling Mats. I would like to note that all of the mannequins in this kit are fully compliant with the current American Heart Association guidelines for rate and depth feedback. Your kit will come in this nifty nylon carry bag with handles so that you can easily transport your CPR training supplies between classes. Inside the bag, you will find a packet containing 20 adult lung bags, 20 infant lung bags, and instructions for the mannequins and AED trainers. You will also find all 4 mannequins as well as the AED trainers. For video viewing purposes, I have removed the plastic wrap that your mannequins will come wrapped in. In the adult mannequins, the rate monitor is located on the back side of the left-hand shoulder area of the mannequin, and the lights will shine through the front of the shoulder. In the infant mannequin, the rate monitor is located in the diaper area of the mannequin, and you can use a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife to gently pry open the cover, and that will expose the rate monitor. Please note that each rate monitor includes 2 AA batteries, which are not included. Also included in this kit are 2 PRESTAN AED Ultra Trainers. Please note that these units are for training purposes only and cannot be used for patient defibrillation. Your Ultra Trainers will each come with their own fabric carrying case, and each device will require 3 C batteries, which are not included. Inside the case, you will find the AED trainer unit, 1 set of pre-connected dual adult-child pads and cables, and 1 instruction manual. You will also find 4 extra black connector pins per device to use when connecting the pads to the cables. I would also like to mention that all PRESTAN products in this kit come with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty against defects in workmanship or materials. Here at MCR Medical, we handle all warranty claims on behalf of PRESTAN. So if you ever were to experience any issues with your mannequins or AED trainers, you can call us directly and we will be more than happy to get you taken care of with the correct replacement parts. To repack the carry bag, you will first want to pack both AED trainers in the smaller compartment at the bottom of the bag. Next, you will want to pack both adult mannequin heads in the larger bottom compartment. Third, you will pack up the torsos of the adult mannequins side by side, facing in opposite directions as shown in the photos. Next, you will close the inside flaps of the bag, and lastly, pack up both infant mannequins and zip the bag closed. The carry bag dimensions are 26.5 inches by 15.5 inches by 17 inches. This kit includes a few MCR medical accessories that are sure to enhance your CPR training classes. You will receive 2 Mani vests, which help to keep your mannequins clean and looking stylish, and provide a lifelike training situation for your students as they have to practice removing the clothing before applying AED pads. You will also receive 2 Mani bibs, which come equipped with a clear, small front pocket, giving your students a clear visual of the feedback device located in the diaper area. For your convenience, the Mani bibs have been designed to fold down to allow easy access to the chest for lung bag installation without having to remove the entire onesie. Last, but certainly not least, are the two MCR Medical CPR Kneeling Mats. These mats have been designed with a large surface which will help to reduce knee pain and lower back stress, as well as reluctance on the student's part to practice CPR in a kneeling position. Now you'll know what to expect when you receive your CPR training kit. For more quality CPR training supplies and accessories, please feel free to visit the MCR Medical storefront. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.